Good morning. So, my next project, I was going to do something else, but then I changed my mind, and then I was going to do another thing and changed my mind again. And then my fabric came in that I'd been waiting on for a little while, so I changed my mind again. And we are making a trindle. I've had this pattern for a while. I've used it to make a couple vests, but I haven't made like the full drindle yet, so that's what I'm gonna do. I got this really pretty linen, that's what it's called, with poppies on it, and I thought it would translate really nice into a fun cottage core type thing. And yeah, that's the plan. Make a trindle, something easy, something light, something not as ambitious as I have been doing for the past couple of videos. Although the pillow wasn't nearly as ambitious. Ooh, speaking of which, I did make a companion pillow with the opposite side, and it's awfully cute, and I love them. And I'm having a lot of fun smocking, so that's gonna come back at some point. What I'm gonna do, I don't know. But yeah, there's the plan for this week. Make a dress, wear a dress. Very important step, make sure to pin your darts outside a frame. Good morning. So, I noticed a really fun thing the other day when I tried this on. My darts pucker out, so I don't know what to do about that. So I'm gonna iron them and hope that fixes the issue. And I've mentioned this before, but if you don't have like a tailor's block, just get a nice ball of yarn. I'm using a good cotton one, and it works pretty well for me. But I guess one day, if you can afford a tailor's block, maybe invest in one. I might do that soon. And maybe don't leave your hot chocolate right next to where you're ironing. I don't know. Don't do the things I do most of the time. I don't have much of a clue of what I'm doing. So I had a few mistakes and stuff happen with this, but It's fine, I think. I haven't figured out how to get these darts to not poke out, but it's fine. I don't think anyone but me is really going to notice them anyway, so I'm just going to leave them as is. Other than that, I didn't have enough fabric for like the full 4 panels for the skirt, but I had enough for like 2 full panels, which one of them got split up into 2 side panels, so I'd have my selvages to work with in the front. Probably gonna use buttons for this. I did recently get some cute wooden buttons with little flowers on it that I think would look nice with my poppies, you know? So, yeah. Exciting news. We got our first snow of the season. It'll be fine for a week, and then I'll get really grumpy about snow soon. I'm not a big fan. I like to think I am the Anakin Skywalker, but with snow and not sand. So I'm gonna go take a break from this for a day and work on my Yankee Swap gift. Hey, so I found my vintage hooks and bars, so that's exciting. I keep losing this stack, and then I find it exactly where I put it the last time I lost it. So I guess I'm not really losing them. I'm just not great at remembering where I put them. But I'm going to use these for my closures. I've decided I don't want to deal with buttons at the moment. And yeah, then after that I just have to hem it, and that's it. This was a very easy project, and I feel a little bad about how quickly this all got put together, because I feel like this is going to be an awfully short video, so maybe I'll do a little something else. I got some candles, maybe I'll paint some candles or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright, oh, no. Ugh. Well, I'm all done. So, my trindle came out mostly well. My only real issue is the bodice. It gapes quite a bit. on me and on my dress form even. So, I don't know, I'll have to figure out how to deal with that. But other than that, it looks great, fits great. I like my poppies, I think they're super cute. I like the length of the skirt, I think it's nice. Yeah, painting candles was a fun little thing to do, just to add a little bit extra. I will not tell you how to do it, or I haven't told you how to paint those candles, and I don't really intend to. It's pretty straightforward. You paint candles. Something I will recommend, if you intend on using these candles, get some like Crayola, melt those down and paint with that. Acrylic, not safe to burn, but wax, well, we melt wax all the time when we light candles, so that's probably safe, I think. I don't know. I don't intend on burning mine. They're just gonna stay decorative and be put out somewhere. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got this week. Well, holidays are coming up. We've got Thanksgiving in a couple days, so that'll be busy times. And then after Thanksgiving in December, I've got like 1 week that is just so busy. I've got Hanukkah, Christmas, a wedding anniversary, and it's just quite a bit. So I will be putting something up. My husband suggested that I do something that I can kind of get done in a day. So that's probably what I'll be doing. The first video of the month is going to go up no problem. And then the second one I'll have to figure out what to do. Yeah. Busy times. Having fun. Doing great, I think. Probably. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I've got for you. Bye.